Welcome students to our class, and today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 3 from your SST book, and the name of the chapter is Our World, Our Hope. So the name of the chapter is Our World, Our Hope. Students, before going to start our class, just I want to share you one story from your book only, and that story was Shivika, a girl. She used to read in college, and Ishan, that means her brother Ishan, he used to read in class 3. So they were brother and sister, and Ishan was very curious boy. Curious, that means the people who want to know or want to learn something new. So Ishan was very curious boy, and he always wants to learn something new. So Shivika asked her brother Ishan that, do you know about Rakesh Sharma, who went into the space? So space means what? Space means out of our earth. Our earth is a planet, and out of earth the people who goes, they are called astronaut. And Rakesh Sharma, he is a person who went into the space. And Ishan picked up his globe. The globe we have discussed, it is the exact model of our earth. So Ishan picked up his globe and said, Shivika, all I can see is land and water. So on the globe he is just saying that there is only land and water. Okay. Where is the space? Now he is asking, where is the space? You were telling that Rakesh Sharma went into the space. Now in the globe, space is where? Just you show me. That means he was very curious to know. So that time Shivika told him that, okay, I will tell you about Rakesh Sharma. So Shivika replied, Rakesh Sharma was born in Patiala. Patiala is a district in Punjab. So he was born in Patiala and studied in St. George's Grammar School. St. George's Grammar School is the school where he studied, Rakesh Sharma studied. And it is in Hyderabad. It is in Hyderabad. Later he became a pilot. Pilot, those who fly an airplane, they are called pilot, that you know, I think. So later means afterwards, when his study completed, after that he became a pilot in the Indian Air Force. He was the first Indian astronaut. As I told you, that astronaut, those who go to the space, they are called astronauts. So he was the first Indian astronaut to travel into space. That means he went into the space, and it was the day on 3rd April 1984. 3rd April 1984 he went into the space. That means out of the earth he went. Ishan was amused to hear, so he was very surprised to hear this, that he went into the space. And he said, it must be wonderful to see India from space. So it will be really a wonderful thing that if we see the earth or if we see the India from the space, Shivika said, you know, Ishan, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, who was the Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi, she was the Prime Minister of India once, asked Rakesh Sharma. So when Rakesh Sharma went into the space, that time our Prime Minister was Indira Gandhi, and she asked Rakesh Sharma that how India looks from the space. Then he answered, he said that Sare Jahan se अच्छा Hindustan हमारा. That means that in this earth, whatever things are there, our country India is so beautiful. It looked so beautiful from the space. So our India is very beautiful. So let us come to know more about our world and our home, that means where we are living. So here we will come to know about globes and maps. What are globes and maps? Then differences between globes and maps. What are the differences between globes and maps? And continents and oceans on the earth. These things we are going to discuss. So let us first discuss globes and maps. Students, what are globes, you know? Have you seen that like our earth, a small model is there. People use this. Sometimes at home also we use this globe. So it is not possible for all of us to travel to space. How Rakesh Sharma went into the space. So it is not possible for all of us to go into the space. So to understand the composition of the earth, that means on earth, what things are there, what it is made of. To understand this thing, a model of the earth, model that means same like earth, a small, it is made, a small thing is made like earth only, and it is given in your book. The picture is given, you can see globe picture is given. It is same like earth, it is but you can say it is like a ball. So it is called a globe. So the same exact model of the earth, and it is smaller in size, it is called globe, and it is slightly tilted. Tilted, what you know, our earth is also tilted. So that means if you see the globe, you will find that one stick is there like that, and the globe is there. That like a ball, a small model of the earth is there. Why it is like this? Why it is not straight? Why it is not straight? It is because of the tilted. That means our earth is tilted. And what is tilted? So suppose this is the earth, or you can say globe, and this earth is tilted. Tilted, that means this way picture is given in your book. This stick, it is not straight. Okay, this is called tilted. So just like our earth, it is not completely this way, it is little bit this way. It is called tilted. So it is not possible to see all the places in detail on a globe. So on a globe we cannot see all the things. It It is not possible to show because it is very small and our earth is very huge. So all the things cannot be written or cannot be shown on the globe. So we need to rotate the globe to see all the parts of the earth. If we here stick is there, and if we rotate like this, so it will move and we can see what are things in that globe. So it is also difficult to carry a globe. So as it is round in shape, as the globe is round in shape, it is like a ball, so it is difficult to carry also. Suppose we are going to another place, we cannot take the globe all the time, so it is difficult to handle. On the other hand, drawings of the earth, that means the earth is this, and if it is drawn on a flat paper, on a white paper, flat paper, if we draw the earth, it is called map. That means the same thing is drawn on a white paper or a flat surface on a paper, you can say, it is called map. So globe is the exact model of the earth and map is the drawing of the earth on a paper, and they show, that means they give us the details about the places on the earth, and it is easy to carry. As it is a paper, we can fold it, we can keep it in our pocket and we can take it to anywhere, but a globe cannot be. And in the map, small details also can be shown because it is a small part. That means suppose we are living in Barak Valley,